Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall apps on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to uninstall apps, we have two main ways to do so. The first one is, the first thing that we need to do is open all the apps. So let's swipe up, and then over here we can find all apps that we have installed. If you want to remove something, you can simply press and hold it, and then while holding it, we need to drag it up, and over here we have uninstall option. If you leave it over there, then you will need to confirm that you want to uninstall this app. So let's press OK, and the app should be uninstalled shortly after. We can also go to Files. So let's find Files app in the list of all apps. And then over here you have Apps. You can tap over here in order to see the list of all apps. In the top right corner, you can click on these three dots and then choose Sort By, and then choose Largest First in order to see the biggest apps first. And the biggest meaning that they weigh they weigh the most. And in order to remove an app, then you can simply tap on the three dots over here and then choose Uninstall and then confirm, and the app should be uninstalled shortly after. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.